So hi everyone, in this video we are going to execute a Java program that can be used to check whether a given character is vowel or not. So the given character could be in uppercase or it could be in lowercase also. So we will be checking for the both the condition. So I'm just creating a Java class and I'm giving the name as is vowel and then I'm going for finish. So as we have to take input from the user, so we have to import the scanner class. After importing the scanner class, we can create a method. Let's say void is vowel will be taking a character input. I'm giving the variable name as character input. Now we will be checking the now we'll be checking that the given input is a vowel or not. So for that I'm going to use switch condition. You can go for if else also. If else you can also use. So it could be in uppercase or it could be in lowercase, right? So I'm writing both the cases. So I'm done with the operation part. Now we can simply print the output that if if the given character is within these cases, then we will be printing like the given character is, then the given character that is input is a vowel. Then we should break it and then we can write our default. If the character is not matches with these cases, then it will print that the given character that is input is a consonant, right? And after that break. It is not coming here. Yeah, we can write here also. So I'm done with the method. Now we can create our main method, that is public static void main string args. As we are using scanner class, so we have to create an object for scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner. So now we can declare a variable. Let's say I am giving the variable name as a, or we can give input also. Input, then we'll be taking the input from the console, right? So sc dot next dot caret 0, right? Because we are taking a character value, so to get input as a character we have to right, in this format. After getting input from the user, we can pass the input to this method, that is Vowel method, right? So for that we have to create an object for isVowel class. That's I'm giving the object name as obj new isVowel. Now we can call the isVowel method by giving input as our parameter. Now we are done with our program. Let's check whether it is working or not. Just Ctrl S to save the program, run as Java application. Yeah, before this line, that is 21 line, we can print a statement like enter a character, right? Now we are done. Let's execute the program. Let's say I am giving capital R, enter. The given character is a consonant. It is running perfect. Let's say I am giving as a small I, enter. I as a vowel. One more time I'm executing it. Let's say this time giving P. So P is a consonant. So it is working perfectly. Just follow the steps. You will also be executing the same program without any error. If you have any error, you can write it down in the comment box. I will definitely reply on your comment. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.